Yeah, or if you're like some folks like me, staying here.
Yeah, there you
No
go.
travel.
right here in San
staying in
Antonio.
town. Yes.
Now, Bill Taylor, is that a 49 degrees on our screen right now?
Oh my.
Yes, it is.
Whoa.
It's getting cold. It's going to be a cold Wednesday morning, and in fact, these final days of November's new weather pattern looks interesting too.
Okay.
Nothing, bitter cold, and certainly not combined with precipitation. Not that kind of interesting. Whenever the weatherman says interesting, right? Okay. Outside tonight on the hill, the winds have died down, so that's going to help get us to those 40s and even 30s for Wednesday morning. So we're definitely going to be close to a freeze for some of you. I'll show you in just a moment who's looking at 32, 49 right now in the city. 47 is what it feels like off that west-northwest wind. Now, it's down to 5, but it was upwards of 25 with gusts near 35 at times this afternoon. Very windy Tuesday. Dew point still low at only 40. From low to highs, 57 Bernie. Hill country locations that stayed in the 50s will probably climb to where we were today, 63. We had a pair of 70s for Pearsall and Cotulla, 65 to 64. Down along the Rio Grande, 63 in Seguin. But we should be getting to 70 this time of year. So this is below average. This is more of a winter-like temperature for us as far as what is normal, okay? And winds are going to help contribute to a colder overnight because now that they go under 10 miles per hour, we don't get that surface mixing, and that definitely lets that mercury drop a little bit further. Keep in mind that clear skies and dry air will contribute as well to a good night of radiational cooling where you can see Bernie 34. So that means any spot north of there could do it. Could get to 32 for a moment. Timberwood Park 38, Randolph 41 with St. Hedwig, 39 Castroville, always colder in Medina Valley, 37 at Hondo, 41 Divine in the city, 40, 38 out in New Braunfels. But with a few more counties on the map, you'll see, once again, 34 Fredericksburg should be the coldest alongside Bernie, but these small pockets in Kerr, Kendall, Gillespie, I think there could be a 32. It would be isolated, nothing widespread. And that's really the story. The colder temperatures, and I mean, they're not extreme by any means. We've got 29 Rapid City, but keep in mind, when it comes to travel nationally, that's really the only story. The temperatures, because it's the eastern coast that has the weather, and that's about it. Everybody else very, very quiet. All right, so this is the big low that's going to be over the Great Lakes, okay? Watch what happens when these split. So this area, this big trough, heads up towards the Great Lakes, but the little low breaks off. That's what's going to give us a chance of rain on Thanksgiving. Right now, the hour by hour is going to show you that once we get into Thursday, it's going to be early morning into the early afternoon. And it's only going to be light rain. In fact, we're expecting less than 1/4 of an inch, and it's only a 20 to 30% chance. Again, nothing heavy, certainly no thunderstorms. Tomorrow, beautiful day. Cold start at 40, then a sunny 65-degree afternoon. Then on Thursday, we're going to be chilly for Thanksgiving with some light rain, some afternoon sun, and a 100% chance of overeating. Okay, sunny and seasonal Friday, looking good. Clouding back up over the weekend, and a chilly wrap-up. Look at that. I mean, that's good soup weather, Nate Ryan.